Welcome to the first vlog. My 3D printing farm DIY channel where I do reviews on electronics, 3D printing, DIY, and here it is. Been in the industrial industry for at least 20 years. Okay, and you see the line this one long? Huh? Okay, fire alarms went off because I was lit the incense before the video, and that was the wrong thing to do. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's start this off with the fire alarm. And my first 3D prints, a couple of them. I've been printing for some months, running these things through, but I printed this nice new Nike lighter holder and Gladiator incense holder that I did not blow out. It caused the fire alarm to go off. Okay. No matter, we still gonna get back to it right now. But all right, let's take you into the office and what we got going on in the warehouse, workhouse, office, studio, however you want to call this, all of the above. You know, you got a little inspiration, got a little Muhammad Ali right there. You know, you got your bull. And you got your bell over there. You can't see the little bell. He over there, he's small. But you got your bull and your bell. You know, I love the stock market. You know I am. So, and then it's one of my sellers I need to be putting online is this. I got from STL Flicks. It's a gun cell phone case holder. It's charging up my GoPro right now because GoPro is battery dead. But you know, I got this lovely hand right there. I just use it to put keys holder on it. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. Cell phone, anything. Okay, we got a calendar I got to update. And we got our little other work space right here. This is kind of the office. Probably gonna be the packing area right here. You know, we got a little graffiti bin right there with it going on. Starting off. I get the printing and stuff going on over there. And then we got the main event over here, the main area. All right, first we got the production area right here. Yeah, the two monitors. We got the Samsung Galaxy over there. Odyssey, one of those. Got the KRKs. You got a little stream deck over there. A little Insta360, some lights that need to be put up. We got a little TV that was on right there. And a little charging area right here. I got my cell phone. You got the autonomous desk. You got the computer up under there. Definitely got to do some wire management. We just started. And I messed up this dresser. I am reconstructing it and refixing all this. So that's going to definitely be a video to watch coming up soon. Okay. And then you got this little small, you know, production area where you got beats and stuff. And all right, now let's get to, we got over here our production, audio, video, batteries, mainly audio. I haven't figured this fully out yet. Just put this rack up yesterday. But right now, I save a lot of space. I got my audio stuff down here. These are some of my 3D prints. We got the Georgia Bulldog. This is the top of a Black and Mild holder, really. You know, got a lot of smokers, you know, right now. I'm making custom, that just fell off, custom cigarette case holder. Bulldogs. Your little Hue Forge over there. Little cars. And we got the flaming Xbox and PlayStation controllers. And then you got a whole bunch of stuff that got to be organized down there. Tools. And I got some of my audio stuff and tools hanging up with some of my 3D prints right there. Now this I custom made today. The fit on here, and you see right there, it's nice and snug. It goes in. Lock it, baby. We in there. And sturdy. Okay. Got a couple of audio stuff. We got the tripods and drills and stuff. Just in case the fire did get crazy, we definitely know we protected up in here. And then we got the main event over here. We got the big dog X1 Carbon. Oh, she's sexy as can be. Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon. And we got a little brother over there, little P1S. Okay, with the AMS riser. Oh yeah. See, we definitely investing. Bitcoin hit 100K on that day. Had to print that out, Got the printer we got down here. We got the little ABS, little carbon fiber, PTG, high flow. We got all filament down there, a whole bunch of filament, okay? Then we got the drawer section of stuff that needs to be reorganized after I get through. The Georgia Bulldog down there. That was the test, and this is right here. It's like my little storage rolling. I ain't completely figured it out yet, but it keeps my 3D prints when I, ain't finished them or ain't put them together yet. And I stack it up right here, and I got my little work table over here that I'm working on. I actually think I want to turn this regular table, which is an old school, I think like an old school lunch table that I got. And I want to turn it into a workbench. That's going to be tight. You have the lights over there. And top, you got all your rough filaments, up there, a little more filament. We got some old bamboo, CMYK, some boards and everything. But that's what we got. And right now, as review, I have been running these 3D printers constantly. A little quick review for 3D printing, Bamboo Labs, the X1 Carbon and the P1S. Been running them crazy nonstop, and they have paid for themselves within a few months. So I say that, and that was just not by me, no website, no going to garage sale, yard sale, nothing like that. It's word of mouth. Well, I'm a hustler, seller, and entrepreneur, but still, just people being amazed of what I can create, and I'm a creator. I love to create digital. You see, love to do the digital stuff. So now I'm gonna get into that CAD. Now I'm gonna learn this CAD, where this CAD is gonna be my digital friend. Okay. But this is the first review. I'm gonna upgrade the rack system. That's some strong, man, something that's real sturdy. I need to put it to the wall. You see it's a little shaky. It's a little shaky. We're gonna fix that. Okay, we're gonna fix that. We're definitely gonna fix this side up over here. A little work side with my filing cabinets. I might have to get those color coordinated or something. We're gonna go on, and we're gonna do this right. But hit the like button and subscribe. We're gonna have more DIYs, TV installs, audio, security systems, fire alarms. See, it's blinking red over there. I got to fix that. We're gonna do a lot of stuff on this channel. Okay, but we're gonna create, we're gonna make, and we're gonna let you know what the money is. But these are money makers. Okay, they money makers. They are money makers. So I definitely want to get an Etsy shop going on and figure out what kind of products I'm going to do and, you know, go on from there. Stay tuned. Money. Talk. Reviews. GC3D.